My name is Juan Pablo Escobar. I'm the wine director of Babbo Ristorante Enoteca.
My name is George Miliotes, and I am the proprietor and owner of Wine Bar George here at Disney Springs.
My name is Vincent Morrow. I'm the wine director here at Press Restaurant here in St. Helena. We have the largest collection of Napa wines of any restaurant in the world.
Most wine bars, when you go in there, they have a small selection of wines. You can get this flight or that flight.
We are known for having any wine that you want from Italy. It could be a small producer that makes 500 bottles, or it could be someone who makes 100,000 bottles.
The challenge is keeping your wine and serving it as fresh and perfect as it can be.
Prior to Coravin coming in, that was much more difficult.
When we didn't have Coravin, we couldn't necessarily represent the entire cellar.
With Coravin, we certainly have the ability to create more access and a broader reach with these very special wines.
Everything in our restaurant is available by the bottle, the glass, or the ounce.
And thus our job is to make sure that it is the most honest representation of the wine.
Coravin has changed our business for the better when you're able to consistently preserve bottles to that 4th and 5th glass.
I can serve any bottle and have no worry whether I sell the rest of the bottle today, tomorrow, in a week, or in a month. The difference that this makes in our restaurant and our ability to really delight guests is really incredible.
It's good for everyone. Good for the guests, for the producer, for the wine program.
My goal since day one was to just make wine more accessible and introduce more people to it. It doesn't necessarily have to be expensive to do so.